Active Investor here, bringing you another independent analysis. This time we're taking another look at ticker symbol EBIO. That's ElevenBio Therapuetics Incorporated. The chart we have here today is going to be a 1 hour chart. Each candlestick on this chart representing 1 hour of trading. We go back to right around June 9th, but really we want to focus on this last day of trading. EBIO really killed it today, breaking out of its trend. The consolidation looks like it might be over, and we might see it start legging up to the next areas of resistance, creating new channels and giving us potential to swing trade it and day trade it. So let's take a look at some of those indicators. Now, we obviously have a lot of lines here on the chart, and the chart's really cluttered already with all these lines, so I'm not going to be writing out the pivot points since we don't really have room to write them out. So we can kind of just ignore like all the pivot points down here, and let's just kind of focus on what we're looking at for support nearby and the resistance on the way up. So for support, keep in mind the support's going to be right around here and here. Those are the two support lines I'm going to be talking about right now, those two support lines. So that first area of support is going to be $2.55. The next area of support is going to be $2.45. This one down here and then this one down here, that's going to be $2.30 and then $2.21. So those are our areas of support that are pretty close. We also have the simple moving averages acting as trailing support, and they kind of fall in line with those areas. You see our 13 period is there, our 20 and 50 period moving averages are in that channel, and then we have the 100 and the 200 far below. So that's okay, we don't really want those to be so close. You can see when all the averages were converged here, less the 200 day, we just saw a lot of consolidation and channeling and not much action. So our moving averages are starting to diverge from each other, which indicates that we could see some more volatility, and that we have seen some more volatility indicated by the trading that occurred today. Not only that, but they are almost in the perfect bullish order. We have the 13 period, then the 50 period, then the 20 period, 100 and 200 periods. So the only problem with that is that our 50 period is above our 20 period, but we could see that slowly start to change. So EBIO looks like it's getting ready to leg up again. So on the way up, let's talk about that resistance now. So the first area of resistance is going to be $2.65, and that's going to be this line right here. We got to break 265 in order to break the new channel, which is going to be 265 to 280. Now what's great is if we can break $2.80, we're looking at a gap up to $3.20, which is some very nice gains there. So we can day trade it all along here during its channel period between 260 and 280. But we have real potential for gains if it breaks 280, because we can swing it to about 320. And on the same note, if 320 breaks, we can swing it all the way to about $3.55, which is going to be more than 10%. So both of those giving us very nice potential to swing. And it's looking like EBIO wants to climb for those areas. The moving averages are looking almost perfect. Relative strength index is looking really good. Let's take a look at where we are overbought right now. We're going to overbought over here. See where we closed on that candle. And our prior overbought area was over here. So we have a higher overbought area. Trend is definitely up, and we're still overbought. So we can definitely see this thing continue to run. As you can see here, when we did break down from overbought into oversold, that's when we had that selling off. So we're still overbought, although we are getting closer to the 80 line. But it's looking like we can continue the run. Absolutely. We are above the 80 line, even though we're getting closer. The moving averages are almost perfect, and those candles are strong. You know, we have our lows here, and we just made some more higher lows there. So after hours, we also have a few trading blocks there, making more higher lows. But after hours, you got to take with a grain of salt since it has that low volume. But still, you know, if you're going to consider the after hours, then we also have higher lows there. So everything about the chart's looking pretty bullish, and I think we'll see it start breaking up into the ranges that we mentioned earlier in this video. So I'm going to keep an eye on this for the trading tomorrow and probably next week as well, and we'll see what it brings. Hope this analysis helped you guys out. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave some feedback below. I'd love to hear what you guys think about EBIO. As you guys know, this is a stock I've done many analysis on if you've been following this channel. And we started playing this thing when it was right around 90 cents, if you guys remember. And it hovered right around 90 cents to $1.10 for a long time, which was cool. I mean, it gave us a lot of potential to day trade it multiple times and swing trade it from 90 cents to $1.10. And it seemed to really like to hover back to $1. So the fact that EBIO is now finding its support well above $2 and it looks like it's going to keep pressing on is pretty impressive. And this is a stock that we've been watching for a while, so it's nice to see that it's coming along so well. Anyways, guys, pretty excited about this one. Let's see what it does. Catch you later.